beautiful friends, and happy holiday season. It is almost mid-December and I think holiday happenings are in full swing, including our beauty boxes. So I've just received my GLOSSYBOX this morning. It came a little late this month. I guess that's because they had so many ship outs for Black Friday. Probably caught up with them a little. But I'm really excited to get into my first holiday beauty box ever. And I'm excited. Let's get started. Look how beautiful that is. It's like a beautiful Christmas present. Happy holidays, Glossies. Ooh, it's so pretty. Couple of coupons. Oh, look at that. Pretty. What does it say? Merry Metallics. Perfect. Ooh. Pretty gold bow. And a tissue with a gold sticker. First look, that looks fun. So the first biggest thing I see is the Original Source body wash. I like Original Source and I have bought this brand many times. I know it's only worth like £1 or something, so even though it's a big, heavy item, it's pretty cheap and affordable. But I love these. The ingredients are pretty good. They're made in the UK and they smell great. They're a super neutral product, so they're really nice. I never posted it, but I did end up getting my boyfriend the GLOSSYBOX that was a special edition for men, and he got a mint Original Source in his, and I'll share a picture of it. It was a really fun box. I did ask him if he felt like coming on camera to review, but of course, he's a little shyer than me, but the products in that box were really good. Huge value for the money. The only issue is he doesn't have a beard, and one of the products was a beard oil, but I think you can probably use that for your hair too. I don't know. But the box was really good. He's really enjoyed the products in it, and he's starting to finally learn that there are more steps to skincare and hair care than just soap and water, right? So it was a really good buy. If they do another box, I highly recommend them. They're great gifts and can expose someone you love to a whole world of beauty products. So Original Source is great. This is rhubarb and raspberry, and it smells really good, as they all do. Yeah, this says that the retail price is £2.30, but they often go on sale for like £1 at Boots. The first official item is the Last Splash Cosmetics. It's so funny that when I got my little known box, I said I was wondering when I was gonna get lashes, and I have a feeling every December box now is gonna have lashes. But that's totally fine because you can't have enough. These look totally different than the ones that I got from Little Known Box. I really like that Great Gatsby sort of style on them. Oh, they're called Golden Gatsby. So these are faux mink lashes. I like lashes a lot. Maybe I'll try these when I do my Birchbox video. Channel your inner 1920s flapper girl with these luxurious cruelty-free lashes. Apply them onto your natural lash line, add a few lashings of mascara to set them in place. Does that mean they're self-adhesive? Or maybe it's just unspoken that you need lash glue. Thankfully, I got lash glue with my Little Known Box lashes, so that's good. These retail for £9.75. Excellent. 'Tis the season. I should have put some on today, but I was running out of time to record this. I am very excited to have all the beautiful parties and glam up, since I live in my pajamas most of the time because chronic illness. It's fun. But I'm really excited to dress up and get glamorous. Look, there's even a little bit of hollow in the background. Steve Laurent Loose Powder Pigment. There it is. How cute. I like that pink gold fits with the metallics. Glittery multi-purpose pigment powder boasts a highly pigmented formula which allows you to create an endless dazzling party look. Sweep across your whole eyelid for a shimmery look. Use a wet eyeliner blush for a delicate touch of glamour. Ooh, I'm gonna try the wet eyeliner brush. That sounds really cool. Or sprinkle it onto your cheekbones for an iridescent highlight. Retails for £14.60. I really like the idea of a multi-purpose product, especially since I'm traveling for Christmas this year. So I might be able to use this for multiple things. Let's see how the color suits me. How cool is that little package? It's not just a square, it's not just a circle, it's got some beveled edges. It fits in with the Gatsby sort of vibe they're going for in rose gold. I guess it is rose gold. Another beauty vlogger was saying she was sick of rose gold and saying rose gold, so I was trying to be careful, but this is technically rose gold, so there it is. I pulled the whole thing off. Okay, let's just try a little on the cheek. Is that so cheeky? I am already wearing the Bare Minerals highlight drops, so maybe it'll conflict. Maybe I'll try it on my hand. That is a really lovely quality powder though. You could use it as a shiny bronzer. Ooh, that is like perfect for like eyelids for a rose gold Christmassy metallic look if you're doing the gold theme. Really nice. I am very pleased with that product. How much did it? Oh my gosh, I got powder everywhere. It retails for almost £15, so that's the price of the box right there. That's a great little thing to have. I love it. Ooh, what's this? Liquid eyeshadow eye candy. Ooh, that's fab. Retails for £20. This price of this box is just racking up, isn't it? A highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow that gets it all on in one swipe. I love that. Blend with your hand, with your finger. Okay. Oh, that's fabulous. I hope this isn't blasphemous, but I think I'm gonna do a whole GLOSSYBOX look for my Birchbox unboxing. I don't know when Birchbox is coming. Hopefully it's on its way. Everything is late this month, which doesn't help that I'm traveling and I'm trying to get my videos done, but hey. So there it is outside a box. That is fabulous. Oh, I love that. I cannot wait to put that on my eyelids. How fabulous, and it blends and then it turns solid. It's no longer liquid. Ooh, that is so fun. What a great product. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use this over Christmas, and if I love it, I'm definitely gonna see if they have like a purple color, because this is exactly the kind of thing that I'm looking for to get real glitter shimmer, because I love glitter. Ooh, I thought it was a mascara, but it's a lip stain. Love the Fateful Lacquered Lip Stain. Ooh, where's the front of it? There we go. What a nice little ombre package. A long-lasting smudge-proof gloss-like formula, the lip stain promises endless shine. Hyaluronic filling spheres protect and visibly plump your pout. Pair it with your go-to LBD. I don't know what that is. What's an LBD? For an elegant, timeless look, or use it to accessorize your favorite winter jumper for a classic shabby chic effect. Retails for £8. So let's give it a try. I don't know what LBD is, and now I feel old and out of touch, but we do our best. What's the color that this is? Vinyl Philosophy? Is that the name of the color? Well, oh, I've got lip color on, so we're gonna have to do it on our hand. Do I have any more room? Oh, there we go. Okay, oh my gosh, that matches my jumper perfectly. It's a berry color. Ooh, that's lovely. Oh my goodness, maybe I will just put a little bit. Okay, that's way darker than the one I have on. It's very wet. Ooh, it's much darker than I thought it was. It's quite vampy, darling. I think you'd have to be careful not to do too dark of an eye so that you don't look, I mean, it's great to look witchy, right? And threatening. It makes my teeth look white, so it's nice on the tint of the teeth. That's really lovely. I wonder if there's a way I can lighten it up a little bit to be a little bit more like this, but it is quite dark, but that's lovely. And it feels good. I don't taste anything weird or smell anything weird. and it feels really smooth. I don't feel like a tingling like a regular like plumping thing does. Cool, I like it a lot. This is a beautiful box with such a lovely look. I bet I could use all of these things together in a look. So I'm actually gonna do a GLOSSYBOX look because that's absolutely lovely. How fun. I'm really pleased. There we go, 5 items. I will add everything up and put it on the screen to tell you how much this box is worth. This is a 10-pound beauty box. You do have to pay for shipping, so if you're buying box per box or month by month, I think it's $13.25. If you pay for a 6-month or a year-long subscription, you get a bit of a discount on it. The other great thing about GLOSSYBOX is they're part of the Look Fantastic shop, and you can get GLOSSYBOX credit by reviewing the products in the boxes each month, taking little surveys to see if you let them know if you like it or not. And you get credit, and it really does add up quick. I've probably earned about 20 pounds of GLOSSYBOX credit at least since I started 6 months ago, and I've been able to check out some stuff in their shop and bought my boyfriend his beauty box, his GLOSSYBOX special edition GLOSSYBOX. Ooh, let's see what the sneak peek is. I always forget to look at that. There it is there. Your sneak peek is BYBI Beauty Strawberry Booster, filled with essential omega fatty acids and rich allergic acid, soothes, nourishes, and hydrates your skin. Strawberry Booster. Interesting. So I definitely have a 6-month subscription now, so I will be getting these boxes through May or June, I think. So we'll see what that's like. I imagine all the January boxes will have skincare products to deal with harsh winterness and post-Christmas celebration-y stuff. Ooh, I'm liking this lip color, even though it's quite intense for me. I think with the golden eye, it would look great. So, as you can tell, I'm really enjoying this month's box. I definitely think the value is worth the money, and if you're considering giving GLOSSYBOX as a gift, please check out my discount referral code in the description below. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season with lots of celebrations and family and friends. Don't get too stressed out. Take everything one step at a time if you're getting overwhelmed. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again very soon. Take care of each other. Bye.